It started like any other day. I was in the library, minding my own business, of course. I heard the mournful cry of a violin in the distance, over the steady hum of the air conditioning. I had always heard the stories, but didn't believe them to be true until...
Scott! What happened to you?
So yeah, that's what happened.
No, I don't think it was a ghost. It's probably a perfectly rational explanation. Yes, this slime looks homemade. In fact, I know of a couple ways to make it. Here's what we will use to make our slime. Baking soda, some water, glitter, food coloring, of course. Saline solution must contain both sodium borate and boric acid. You have your Elmer's washable glue, white vinegar, a small container or cup, of course your measuring cups, a spoon, and something to mix your slime, of course. First, we will combine the glue, water, and baking soda. We will start with a 1/4 cup of water, then a 1/4 cup of the clear glue, because we want to be able to see that pretty glitter. And a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This is a very important step, because if you don't get in that baking soda, you will not have slime at the end. We are going to mix it up very well until you can't see any more clumps of that baking soda. It should be a little milky but clear through. And there, it is ready for our next ingredients. Now we are ready for the food coloring and the glitter. We're going to make this slime beautiful. When you add your glitter, it is tempting to add as much as you can, but it would make your slime less stretchy. So I just add a little, but experiment at home and find the mixture you like. As you mix, you want the food coloring and glitter to come together so that you know you have mixed everything into a final thing. Once it starts becoming slimy, it will get harder to mix. Oh, look how beautiful it is! Now we are ready for our saline solution. We are adding 1 tablespoon, and then we are going to mix it very thoroughly. You can use your hands, because everything that's ooky and sticky right now will eventually come together into a nice, beautiful slime. To do that, you will want to mix very hard, getting every last bit off the side. Our bakers at home will know the next step. We are going to knead it. Oh yes, getting it nice and stretched, and so that it comes off of my hands and into a beautiful slime. The science is working. Those long polymer chains are coming together through a chemical reaction, and then they are coming more as a solid. However, if I go loose, it becomes more like a liquid until it's sticky and gross. But as you'll see, the more I knead it and squeeze it, the more it comes off my hands until it is nice and beautiful, perfect green slime. We almost have it. Oh yes, this is looking very familiar to me. Slime. On second thought, what hit you wasn't glitter slime at all. It looks like volcano slime. This may explain why it came out of nowhere. Eureka! A mixture with a volatile reaction. Yes, you might even suggest it's alive! In a long container, we will add our glue, baking soda, and food coloring until it was one even mixture. we are starting with 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which will be necessary for a volcano reaction. And then we will do a half cup of our glue. We are going to add our red food coloring, and we are going to mix it very thoroughly. It is very important we get it very well mixed so that it all comes slime at the end. Next, I am going to add my yellow food coloring, but I am not going to mix it. It is just going to stay there on top. Yes! Next, we are going to add our saline solution, but not mix it yet. Again, we are doing 1 tablespoon. Now we will add our 1/4 cup of vinegar. After this, we will move very quickly, stirring very rapidly until, yes, it's alive! Yes. Oh, look at it coming together into a nice, frothy, big slime. And it comes together. It's alive! So how does it work? Well, glue is a polymer made of long chains of molecules. The boric acid and sodium borate work along with the baking soda to make these chains cling together, acting temporarily as a solid. When pressure is applied, it acts as a solid. It can maintain its shape and will break and tear if too much pressure is applied too quickly. But if you go slow and gentle, the flows like a liquid and gets stickier again. Now the volcano is a reaction between the vinegar, an acid, and the baking soda, a base, which creates a lot of carbon dioxide rising up until it pushes the concoction out of the glass like a volcano. I think I know who slimed you. It was you!
I couldn't tell him the truth. I had made the mixture wrong and it blew up in my face. Oh, the shame.
Mystery solved. Thank you for joining us with Spooky STEM at the Houston Public Library. If you would like to try this experiment at home, first get a result. And please share the results with us with the hashtag #ILoveHPL. And I will see you in your dreams.